everyone. This week, our mentor text is Frankenstein, and our grammar focus for the week is called Shades of Meaning. And what shades of meaning are they are words that have similar meanings, but each meaning gets a little bit stronger or weaker depending on the word. So I want to show you our anchor chart for this. Shades of meaning are small differences between words. Words have similar meanings, and one might be stronger or more forceful than another. So let's look at the words next to Frankenstein here. We have mad, crabby, cranky, grumpy. So when you're mad, you're definitely mad, very mad. That's a strong word. If you're grumpy, you're not like yelling, you're just kind of in a bad mood, right? And then we go up a little bit, and a little bit stronger word than grumpy would be cranky. And a stronger word than cranky would be crabby. And you're not quite really mad yet, but then your next step is mad. I want to show you a couple other examples. Let's look at the yellow words here. We start with cranky. Okay, so we're kind of sticking with what we were just talking about. And cranky compared to annoyed is a weak word, right? Annoyed means you're really like getting to the point where you're gonna tell somebody to stop. If you're a little cranky, you're just kind of in a bad mood. So they're similar, but when we are writing and reading, we can think about these shades of meaning to help us understand the characters better. Let's look at another one. Happy. Happy is a word we use a lot. But if we are very happy, then we are excited. When we're excited, our smile is bigger and we're having a hard time keeping in all our excitement. We might get a little like, oh, I'm so excited. It's Friday or something like that. And even better than that is overjoyed. When you are overjoyed, you are beyond excited. You are as happy as you can be. So if you're trying to express how you're feeling, you could say happy if you're just, feeling happy, like I'm good today. But if you're feeling excited because you know something great is going to be happening or you're waiting for something that you know is coming, you're going to use the word excited. Let's look at the word sad over here. We all know what it's like to be sad, but a stronger word than sad is awful. When you feel awful, you just don't feel good at all. And even a stronger word than that is miserable. So when you're miserable, you are beyond sad. And this helps us to think about what it would look like and what the character might look like when they're feeling those emotions. I want to show you one more angle. So I want to show you what some of these words might look like if we're expressing them. So for instance, I have two words here, nervous and scared. And nervous and scared mean similar things. But look at the picture of the girl. She's a little nervous, right? When you're nervous, you're not completely frightened or you're just kind of like, this is a little strange. I'm not sure I really like it. But look at the boy. Look at his face. This shows more emotion than nervous, doesn't it? Scared shows more emotion. You can tell that there's really a big problem happening. So nervous would be a word that doesn't show a lot of being frightened, and scared is a word that shows that he is getting to be very frightened. Let's do another one. I have happy and hopeful. Okay, look at the difference in their smiles. Happy, we can see that she's smiling. Hopeful, his smile got a little bit bigger. So this is a stronger word that we can use for happy. Let's look at sad and unhappy. Okay. Sad, she's just kind of making a sad face, but look, the girl who is unhappy has tears in her eyes. Okay. So she is, and look, her smile is a frown. She's on the verge of tears. So unhappy shows sadness. Sad is a little bit stronger word than unhappy. Let's do one more. I have cranky and mad. Now, it's very obvious to tell which word is stronger here, isn't it? When you're mad, she's got steam coming out of her ears. She is very mad. She is very upset. This girl, she's upset, but she's not as upset as the girl who is mad. So cranky is a word that we would use to describe a feeling that isn't quite mad yet. So mad is the stronger word here. Now we're going to think about these words to complete our assignment. And on your next slide, you're going to see directions to help you complete your assignment with shades of meaning.